Hey everyone, Wave Tech here from Wave Tech Beats. It's a lovely Saturday. It's Memorial Day weekend, and we are here to do a little unveiling. So, cool thing is a little over a month ago, I literally joined the One Funnel Away Challenge from ClickFunnels, hosted by Russell Brunson and Steve Larson, Jim Edwards, Miss Julie, and so far the funnel challenge has been uh, everything that you could ask for. It's challenging. It's it makes you really dig deep into your inner marketing person. A few things I've taken out of it is it's not just about the product. It's about how the product is presented, the copy. There's a whole lot of things that we tend to take for granted. But give you a little bit of piece of story. So I originally got into the One Funnel Away Challenge uh, because I wanted to make sure that the funnel that I was doing was correct. I mean, just everything. I wanted to make sure everything was right. Funny thing is I had already been involved in the similar building of a funnel from the producer funnel that I had recently won from Midi Money, and not knowing that the One Funnel Away Challenge and what they was doing was the almost the exact same thing. Only difference was they was literally walking us through everything that we needed to do. So uh, the first couple of days I felt like I was miles ahead, but then I started to see where everything was going or how everything was leading out. So uh, the best thing is when you taking doing a challenge, it helps you to get to know the ins and outs. You can have the best product in the world, but if you have nowhere to sell it, or if you have no way of selling it or getting it to the people, it's null and void. All right, so we're gonna leave it at that. So to catch up to where I'm at, so I pay for the digital, and when you pay for it, you get in a Facebook group. They give you a members only area and things like that. Well, the crazy part was like I start seeing everybody get their packets. I'm like, I want the gift too. I want to be able to go back and check out and look and read and see what all I'm missing and everything. So guess what? Uh, did what any normal person would do. I reached out uh, to the support team and explain the situation. Tell them I pay for the digital. How could I get the full product? They basically told me to pay for the shipping and handling. They ship it to me. Well, guess what? That was last weekend, and it's here. All right, One Funnel Away Challenge. All the product that everybody else has gotten. I finally got mine. I'm opening it up because I wanted to make sure that I had everything that you could possibly have in order to be successful. Also, just to not to boast, but this came yesterday. This is my Expert Secrets book. So now I have the Expert Secrets, Traffic Secrets. The .com is in my bag. I've been walking around reading it throughout the day. I have Jim Edmonds' Copyright Secrets. I have Network Marketing Secrets. So I basically have the trilogy. I have the cookbook PDF. I have the swipe files. They said go all in, so I went all in. So pop this up and see what all we got. This your training official begins. So pretty much I got the book. Add that to the collection. So I got the book. Basically walks you through. Oh, this is cool. I like this. It's another marketing tip. Man, you learn so much from getting into this and I'm gonna dive into this a little bit later on. So I got that. Nice little setup here. What else did I get? Oh, I got a ton of other stuff in here too. Let's see. I got a spiral. We have a spiral. Oh, this is the workbook. So this is the 30-day challenge workbook. Okay, cool. So yeah, we're in week 2. We're on break today, but we're in week 2. How would you like to earn? Oh, this is the affiliate thing, and I'm assuming this is yes. This is the PDF. Not the PDF. So you can just plug this in. That's neat. They send you an MP3 player that you plug in. Oh, that's nice. MP3 player, you plug in, get all your lessons on there, everything. What else they send you? Okay. So, finally got that. I'm very excited to have it. Can't wait to get back into it. Man, just remember, man, anybody who's doing the One Funnel Away challenge or any challenge out there, when it comes to doing business, you are your boss. And if your business fails, that means you failed. All right. So the one thing is you got to be able to go in and do things your way. But when they give you a blueprint with the tools to help you get through that blueprint, follow those tools. Okay. Like I said, I'm well equipped right now. You have to excuse me. I got more than enough books to keep me reading throughout the rest of the year. So, to anybody looking forward to basically learning how to do business the right way, this is the right way. All right. So, for me, it's all about marketing and producing and making sure everything is done correctly. So, with that being said, I'm going to jump off of her. Okay? I'm about to jump off of her. Why? Because I got a lot of reading to do. So, we're getting ready for week 3 and the One Funnel Away challenge. And I'm super excited to be in the group with a lot of good folk. I'm seeing a lot of different niches out there, and I mean it's nice. From anywhere from a coaching niche to health and wellness to I seen one that I might buy that one. It's bartending. If I can get certified as a bartender, I have the whole thing locked down in my neighborhood. All right. But anyway, it's good to be back. It's good to, I feel great. Continue to practice social distancing. Continue to do what you need to do to stay healthy. Once again, it's your man Wave Tech from Wave Tech Beats by Wave Tech, and the Beat Profits. We out here. Peace.